minutes. Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing well, and in today's video I am going to use a face pack which I found on Instagram. So this is basically my first time I'm using this product, so I'm also going to review it. So do watch this video till the end, and without wasting much time, let's get started with the video. So this one is from Chimera, and you can check the website. I would link it in the description box below, and also this product. So okay, so as I said, it is from Chimera, and this is their sandalwood plus rose face pack, and it says that it gives you a younger looking skin, and it also fades blemishes and pigmentation, reduces wrinkles and fine lines, and removes dark circles. So I just hope it does what it claims to be. And okay, so it is suitable for all skin types, which is a plus point, I would say. And other than that, they also say that you need to make a thick consistent paste of it by adding rose water, but right now I do not have rose water, so I'm going to use it via my normal water only. So let's get started with it. Okay, so though I cut it with scissor, I realized later that it also has a packaging like this. So once you use it, you can just seal it. So that's a good thing, I think. And most of the packages should be like this so that the product does not go waste. And now we are quickly going to start with the application. So let's go. So I have taken a little bit of it, and I'm going to quickly add some water to it and make a paste and then apply it. Time to mix it with water. So before I start applying it, let me just tie my hair. So now we are going to start with the application. This really feels cool, guys. Like, I think this is a perfect thing for summers where you just need to feel that coolness in your skin. So that's how I feel right now. Okay, now that I'm done applying it, I am going to wait for around 10 to 15 minutes and then rinse it off. So let's see the results. Bye guys, I'll see you in another 15 minutes. Okay guys, so this is like almost dried up now and it's almost like 15 minutes. So now I'm quickly going to rinse it off and show you all the results. So let's go. Okay guys, so as you can see, I have rinsed it off and I do feel it gives you a slight glow to your face when you apply and rinse it off. So it did work, I would say, but I don't know for how long this glow is going to remain. So I can't really comment to you on that. Maybe I can comment to you or maybe review it in my next video to tell you guys what actually happened. Like, did it remain for a long time or not? But right now I can see a slight glow on the face, and maybe you can check it out. Like, the products would be linked in the description box below, so you can go and check it out and buy for you. But I can't feel any allergic reaction as of now. So yes, I would give it a thumbs up because it gives a glow to your skin, which is obviously needed. And also, this was all for today guys, and I tried this product for the very first time, so I don't really want to comment more on that. But as you can see, it did give a glow. That's what I would like to say. And also, if you guys like this video, then to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell icon. Till then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.